The best natural solution for nail fungus is aloe vera. This century-old remedy continues to surprise doctors and has helped thousands regain healthy nails. For this treatment, we need fresh aloe vera. Rinse the leaf with water and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes so its healing properties become stronger. Then peel off the skin and take out the clear gel. This is where the plant's real power lies. Aloe vera contains over 200 active compounds, vitamins A, C, E, B group, plus zinc, magnesium, and amino acids. It kills fungus, reduces inflammation, speeds up healing, and helps renew the skin and nails. It also boosts circulation and forms a protective layer that blocks bacteria and dirt. Place the fresh gel in a cup and whisk until it becomes light and foamy. Pour it into a container, add 30 milliliters olive oil to boost its effect and nourish the skin. Then add 1 teaspoon turmeric, a powerful natural ingredient that improves microcirculation and soothes irritation. Mix well and let it rest in the fridge for 4 hours. Now, prepare a foot soak. Cut the leftover aloe skin. Add half a lemon, 1 tablespoon cloves, and 1 liter of water. Boil for 5 minutes and pour into a bowl. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes, then dry them carefully. Finally, apply the aloe mixture directly to the nails and wrap them with gauze for 2 to 3 hours. You can store the mixture in the fridge for up to 7 days. Apply daily for 1 week and watch your nails become cleaner, stronger, and healthier.